Hello, this is James again from Demark. Today we are going to deliver two sets 3 kilowatts laser cutting machine to our customer. And you can see, this is two new designed cabinets, and it's just designed very well and strengthen the structure. And as you can see, you can take a close look. This is a single light, so it's a 3 nights, 3 color lights, and they show different conditions. And this is our touch screen. Also, it's the emergency stop, key, and enable key. And here is the water chiller. So this is the 特裕 SA water chiller, and it can keep good temperature for the laser source. And here, this is the water input, and it shows the water level here. Okay. Now let's show you the. Now let me show you the updated clean head. You can see. So this clean head has a temperature monitoring mode. So when there is the temperature is over high, it will just the warning light and the laser will stop. And here this is the airflow. So it can just have airflow to curtain to protect the lens from the dust. And also you can see this one is the protection for the lens. Now it's closed, and you pick it up, it's open. So inside the lens cover will be open, and if I push down, it will be closed, and also the laser will not be issued. Okay. Now let's our engineer to show you the cleaning effect. Okay. So as you can see, this is the gas filter. So the gas will input here, hose will input here. We use compressed air. Okay. And also we can change the pressure to 6 bars. Alright. And this is the power switch. Yeah. Turn on the key button. Okay, you can see this is a touch screen, and we change the language. Okay, you can see Chinese, English, Spanish, Germany, Korean, Russian, and Japanese, Poland, and this is Greece. Okay, we choose English. Okay. And you can see different parameters. We can change here to 3 kilowatts. And also the frequency, duty cycle, galvanometer frequency, spot size, and also it can monitor the gas. You can see the air pressure and air valve. If it's not working, it's just alarm. Okay. And also you can see here, this is the more detailed parameters. Okay. Now let's engineer show you the working. Okay. And this is laser enable 啊。对。好，小心小心，自己用的时候小心啊。Okay, we'll adjust the angle of the airflow. Alright, you can see it's clean. And then let's show you the cover. 关掉. Okay, the cover now it's safe. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay. Alright. Thank you for your time. If you are interested, please contact us.